Forests are best managed when we know as much as possible about them.
Technology is helping forest managers by allowing them access to huge amounts of data more quickly and more efficiently than ever before. It's also helping them analyze and interpret that data and convert it into information that they can use in managing the forest more effectively.
So we have a number of new technologies available now in British Columbia that are really revolutionising the way we manage our forests. One of these most interesting and fascinating technologies, I think, is LiDAR, or airborne laser scanning. So airborne laser scanning can work on a drone or an aeroplane. We send pulses of light down to the ground and they bounce back, which allows us to measure the tree height very, very accurately. And because height relates well to volume or diameter, we're actually able to get a very good inventory of our forests, much better than we've been able to get before.
We use LiDAR to do a lot of our preliminary reconnaissance. We can use LiDAR to determine timber types, ground terrain, and design roads before we even get into the field. With LiDAR, we can identify riparian and fish habitat areas. With drones, we can identify nests and other wildlife features on the landscape.
Drones are a new technology for us. We're using them more and more in surveying our reforestation, and we're starting to use them in our wildlife management as well.
But we also have technologies like handheld phones and handheld devices that allow us to collect information on the ground a lot quicker than we have before. Combined with high-powered computing and cloud computing, we're able to ask more questions about the forest than we've ever had before. And so this link between technology and forestry has always been there, but really I think is exploding at the moment.
Technology has always been an important part of the forest industry. We foresee continued integration and adoption. With a lot of our initiatives, we're trying new things out. We're part of bigger groups working to improve the industry.
I think that the forest industry is going to use increasing amounts of technology. It is going to make forestry a lot more efficient. It's going to make our practices better.
The more we know about a forest, the better able we are to make decisions about it. And that's to the benefit of communities, of the company, and the benefit of the environment.